Right now, more information coming in from the national capital. Planned cancellations for today. We're telling you about the updates from the Delhi airport. 152 flights have been cancelled. 79 departures, including 2 international. 73 arrivals, including 2 international. All of this due to bad weather and smog conditions. I'm going to go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj for more details on that story. The situation continues to be very bad as far as the cancellations here is concerned, causing fair amount of inconvenience, and advisory has been put out by the authorities as well. Take us to the details of what the administration is now saying about the kind of precautions people should be taking, before venturing on to going to the airport to, in fact, of course, catch their flight, given that there are so many cancellations.
Sneha, first the numbers and after that why it's happening. So if you look at the numbers for Delhi for today, for the entire day, there are 152 planned cancellations, which include 79 departures, including 2 internationals, as well as 73 arrivals, including 2 international flights have been cancelled for the day. And that amounts for the entire 19th of December. There's a strategy now that's being employed, used by the stakeholders, which is that the IMD department forecast is being kept into the mind. Other inputs are being taken by the airline operators as well. And there has been a clear-cut messaging as well. If you are cancelling flights, plan it accordingly, and last minute cancellation should not be happening. That's the attempt, and that is why right from midnight itself you would see that different airlines, be it Air India, Indigo, they have started putting out travel advisories for the flights of the next day. So last night itself there were travel advisories which were issued by the major stakeholders, including Air India. And what we look at the numbers for Delhi airport, it's because of the fog conditions, the bad weather conditions, the visibility at the runway of IGI airport was considerably reduced in the morning today. Now things are improving. As far as the arrivals are concerned, they are back on track. The departures are not showing major delays, but 152 flights have been cancelled. The impact of the lower visibility certainly is not only on Delhi airport but also on the adjoining areas, or maybe you could say the airports located in north of India, because the fog conditions are persisting across North India at this point in time, creating difficulty in the flight operations as well. Back to you.
We'll leave it at that for the moment. Amit Bhardwaj getting asked those details and telling us about the situation in Delhi. The situation continues to be rather bad as far as connectivity is concerned. Just so many flights have been cancelled. Dense fog continues to engulf the Delhi NCR region. The air quality in the capital also has dipped to 387, close to the severe category once again. In as many as 14 of the 39 monitoring stations across Delhi, the AQI is over 400. Most that are very poor are on the edge of severe category. Dense fog surrounded Delhi NCR and significantly reducing visibility, impacting flights and transport operations. The Delhi airport issued an advisory saying that Cat 3 operations were currently underway, which caused delay and disruptions. 150 flights have been cancelled at the Delhi airport. Additionally, multiple airlines, including Indigo, Air India, issued advisories warning of possibility of flight operations being impacted due to poor weather conditions.
As the camera will pan, you will see the impact of intense fog conditions in Delhi on Friday morning. That's Akshardham Temple complex for you. The Akshardham Temple structure is lost somewhere in this intense cover of the fog or dense fog conditions that's prevailing in Delhi on Friday morning. And that was a forecast also done by the IMD department. The IMD department for Friday had issued a yellow alert saying that many of the areas of Delhi NCR could actually witness intense fog conditions, creating trouble for the vehicular movement, as well as could impact the railway as well as airports across North India. This is the picture that you should be concerned about. 387 is the overall AQI of the national capital as per the CPCB data, which is inching towards severe category. 16 of 40 AQI stations in Delhi are reporting numbers in severe category right now, which means that if you are stepping out of your house, make sure you have N95 masks in these areas at least. And for overall Delhi, the picture seems to be grim again, because now the air quality index is inching towards severe category. With video journalist Lokendra Pandey, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.
दिल्ली एनसीआर इस वक्त घने कोहरे की चादर से जो है वो पूरी तरीके से लिपटा हुआ है। हमारी मौजूदगी कर्तव्य पथ पर है। आपको तस्वीरें दिखा दें किस तरीके से इंडिया गेट और आसपास की तमाम जो इमारतें हैं वो इस वक्त घने कोहरे की चादर से जो है वो लिपटी हुई है। मौसम विभाग की तरफ से दिल्ली के अलग अलग जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं उनके लिए रेड अलर्ट जो है वो जारी किया गया। अगले 2 घंटे तक अगर कहा जाए दिल्ली एनसीआर की जो विजिबिलिटी है वो लगभग 50 से 100 मीटर के आसपास जो है वो दर्ज की जाएगी। लेकिन इस वक्त अगर बात की जाए तो दिल्ली में जो विजिबिलिटी है वो लगभग 100-150 मीटर के आसपास जो है वो दर्ज की जा रही है। लेकिन अगले 2 घंटे में ये विजिबिलिटी और जो है वो कम होगी। पोल्यूशन का जो स्तर है वो लगातार दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर बना हुआ है। दिल्ली में ओवरऑल AQI 387 जो है वो दर्ज किया गया है। 16 ऐसे मॉनिटरिंग स्टेशन हैं जिनमें से खास तौर पर अगर बात की जाए आनंद विहार, RK पुरम, ये वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं जहां पर एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स बेहद खराब स्थिति से भी आगे यानी सीवियर कैटेगरी में जो है वो दर्ज किया गया है। जो एडवाइजरी है वो जारी की गई है ताकि अगले कुछ दिनों तक दिल्ली वालों को जिस तरीके की परेशानी का सामना करना पड़ रहा है उसको लेकर के सख्त हिदायतें और सख्त नियम जो है वो बनाए गए हैं।
तमाम कोशिशों के बावजूद राजधानी दिल्ली का AQI बेहद खराब स्थिति में बना हुआ है। लगातार 300 के ऊपर AQI राजधानी दिल्ली का दर्ज किया गया है। कई इलाके तो ऐसे हैं जहां पर AQI 400 के पार है और उन्हीं में से एक इलाका है दिल्ली का आनंद विहार, बॉर्डर का इलाका है ये। और ये आप देखिए, इस पूरे इलाके की तस्वीरों को देख करके समझा जा सकता है कि क्या कंडीशन है। AQI 400 के पार है यहाँ। जी हाँ, राजधानी दिल्ली के जो सबसे ज्यादा पोल्यूटेड इलाके हैं उनमें से एक है ये आनंद विहार इलाका। तस्वीरों के जरिए हम आपको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि यहाँ की ये स्थिति की दरअसल वजह क्या है। एक तरफ आप लेफ्ट में देखेंगे तो जो दिल्ली का आनंद विहार का बस टर्मिनल है, साथ साथ यहाँ पे रेलवे स्टेशन है, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा फुटफॉल होता है। लगातार 24 घंटे लोगों का यहाँ आना जाना होता है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ अगर आप नज़र घुमाएंगे तो यहाँ पर यूपी, ये उत्तर प्रदेश का इलाका आ जाएगा। जो सामने आपको बसें खड़ी नज़र आएंगी, ये गाजियाबाद कौशाम्बी का बस अड्डा है जहाँ पर तमाम उत्तर प्रदेश की जो बसें आती हैं, दूसरे राज्यों की जो बसें आती हैं वो यहाँ पर खड़ी होती हैं। इसके अलावा थोड़ी सी आगे चलने पर जो इंडस्ट्रियल इलाका है साहिबाबाद का, साहिबाबाद इंडस्ट्रियल इलाका आता है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें लगातार मिल करके इस इलाके को बहुत ज़्यादा पल्यूटेड कर देती हैं।